Hello friends, welcome back to the new video of the React Native. So currently I'm facing one of the issue in build processing the build. So what exactly it is, I show you that could not resolve the React Native camera. So I have installed the React Native camera and installed the dependencies, but I'm facing this issue, could not resolve the project of the React Native camera. So how we are going to solve it, let's have a look on that. So first of all, let's go to the project. So we have Android. We have to go to app Android. Then we have to go with the build or Android app build.gradle. We need to open this one, and we have to look the dependencies default config. Okay. So in the default config, what we have to add is here you need to add this one missing dependency, or you can add this ML kit. So Android app build.gradle we are already in. This is the Android app build.gradle. In the default config, we are going to add this one. Okay. So I'm going to add this one here. Okay. This is we have added, and let's try to build and let's compile the code. You should see that the code is already compiled and there is no error. I'm trying to run the build. And you can see that the build is automatically done and there is no error. To solve this issue, you have to just add this one of the line in your build app.gradle in this one, and it automatically solve your issue. Okay, any query, any issue in that, just let me know in the comment section. You can see that the build is already almost installing, launching the activity, and yeah, it's done. The build is running. Okay, and it is opening that build, and you can see that in my here you can see that the bundle is already there, and the cameras is already on. Okay, so we will discuss this React Native camera in the next coming video. Okay, so please be with us. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Don't forget to like, share, comment on my video. Have a nice day.